What's your name?
Sedada.
What's your middle name?
Elizabeth.
What's your last name?
Sedada.
No, your last name.
Oh no.
You know your last name. What's your last name?
Elizabeth.
That's your middle name.
Yeah.
Is your last name Mills?
Mio.
And what's the baby's name?
Hassan David.
Anderson David.
Yeah.
And what's his last name?
Happy Owie. Happy Owie. Happy Owie. Happy Owie.
What's Baby Nail's last name?
And a Poppy Nail.
Baby Nail's last name is what?
Poppy Nail.
Poppy Nail?
Yeah.
Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you sing a song for me? Sing your ABC song.
Now for the bus.
You could sing the Wheels on the Bus song. Ooh. You have to sit carefully, though. Okay, sing the Wheels on the Bus song.
For the bus.
Go ahead.
The bus stop. For the bus. Beep, beep, beep.
The door on the bus goes.
Up. Chat. Open. Chat.
And the driver on the bus says,
Japheth at the take a piece. Take a piece. Take a piece.
and what does the baby on the bus say?
Wow, wow, wow.
So,
Wow,
so
wow.
the mama on the bus says,
Love you. Love you.
I love you.
You.
Yes, I do. So the mama on the bus says, I love you. Are you all done?
Now, for the bus.
What else is on the bus?
Kissy.
Oh, the windshield wipers. The wipers on the bus.
Piss, piss, piss.
Swish, swish, swish.
And the open. Chat. Open. Chat. What the bus. Beep, beep, beep.
The horn on the bus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep.